By saying, hey Mariana, how you doing?
Hi.
Hi.
Wanted to tell you happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mariana.
Love you.
Love you too. So now, of course, we got to sing happy birthday. So
let's go.
let's go.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Mariana.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
All right. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hope you had an amazing day and hope your Uncle Paul has something special planned for you.
All
Love
right.
you.
Okay, bye.
Okay. See you later.
Bye.
Well, we got to thinking, wouldn't it be really great if we could get a whole bunch of people together and sing happy birthday to you the way it should really be done? So Ariel got on her phone and got some people together, and here's what happened.
2, 3. Happy birthday to you. All right. Oh my gosh, so much love. And so for that, I'd like to say thank you so much